the 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. In addition, GM Certified checks out with a 117-point inspection on this ride and a complete vehicle history report. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Call today to schedule a test drive.